Hello, welcome to another video here at Back to Classics, and today is our grand opening. Beautiful weather today, so we're very lucky with that. A lot of people showed up on their classic Ducati, or a bit more modern than that, but that's all okay. Beautiful bikes inside, and in this video we like to give you a short impression of today and the people that showed up and the bikes that are to see here. So we hope you enjoy this little montage.
I've been tricked coming in and wanted to congratulate you and your dad on a great effort, and I thought that it was fitting after all the years that I've known you that I should gift you with something as a housewarming for the new workshop.
Thank you
and
very much.
Hopefully you will like it. I think it's the only thing that's missing.
That might go, I'm very keen to see what's inside here.
There we go.
Wow.
A good resemblance of...
It is, yes.
So, congratulations, and I hope he's with you for many years now.
Thank you very much for watching. Toodledokie. See you next time.